Bugatti Veyron is more than just a car. It's a masterpiece of engineering, a legend born from speed, power, and unmatched craftsmanship. In today's video, we dive deep into what makes the Bugatti Veyron one of the most iconic hypercars in automotive history. Let's begin with the heart of the beast, the engine. The Veyron is powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine that delivers an astonishing 1,001 horsepower. It launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 250 miles per hour. When it was first released, it completely redefined what was possible in a production car. But it's not just about raw power. The Veyron is a marvel of precision engineering. It features a dual-clutch 7-speed DSG transmission, a Haldex all-wheel drive system, and carbon ceramic brakes that bring this missile to a halt with confidence. Every detail is designed to handle the extreme forces at play when driving at such speeds. Step inside the Veyron, and you're greeted by a cabin that oozes luxury and craftsmanship. Premium leather, polished aluminum, and carbon fiber trim come together to create a driving environment that is both elegant and purposeful. Every element, from the gauges to the stitching, reflects Bugatti's obsession with perfection. The exterior design is equally breathtaking. With its wide stance, muscular curves, and signature C-shaped profile, the Veyron commands attention wherever it goes. Its aerodynamic design isn't just for show, it's built to slice through the air while maintaining stability at incredible speeds. Bugatti didn't stop with just the standard Veyron. Special editions like the Veyron Supersport push performance even further, achieving a world record top speed of over 267 miles per hour. These versions combine even more horsepower with revised aerodynamics, further cementing the Veyron's status as a king of speed. Owning a Veyron isn't just about having a fast car, it's about owning a piece of history. Limited production numbers and a multi-million-dollar price tag make it one of the most exclusive vehicles in the world. Maintenance is as elite as the car itself, requiring specialized technicians and bespoke parts. But for those who own one, it's worth every penny. The Bugatti Veyron isn't just a car, it's a symbol of what's possible when engineering, passion, and ambition collide. It broke records, shattered expectations, and paved the way for future hypercars like the Bugatti Chiron. Even years after its debut, the Veyron remains a benchmark in the automotive world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Bugatti Veyron, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more legendary car content. Thanks for watching.